Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your driver's license in Maryland. So here in your screen, you should see 5 steps to get a driver's license in Maryland. And the first step is to get your learner's permit. And to do that, you must pass 25 question computerized test at the MVA, and this should cost you $50. Next is you must complete driver's education, must be a MD MVA approved driving school including 30 hours classroom and 6 hours behind the wheel. So for drivers under 25 years of age, they must complete 60 hours of practice with parents or driving coach. And for drivers 25 years old and above, they must complete 14 hours of driving practice. Note that all learners permit driving must be supervised by a licensed driver, at least 21 years old with at least 3 years driving experience. Next, learners permit holders under 18 must hold permit for 9 months with no tickets. And learners permit holders 18 years of age who also possess a high school diploma must hold permit for 90 days, and learner's permit holder 19 to 24 years of age must hold their permit for 90 days. And lastly, learner's permit holders 25 years of age or older must hold permit for 45 days. And the last step is pass the driving skills test at the MVA. This test includes a closed course driving skills test and an open road test. Parallel parking is no longer on the test, and upon successful completion of driving test, students will receive an interim document printed on paper that will serve as a provisional driver's license until the card arrives in the mail. So those are the easy 5 steps that you should do and complete for you to be able to get your driver's license. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!